Everybody move! Freeze! Now look outside of your self-space. Can you see any empty spaces? That means that no one else is in that space. Choosy says, if you move your body into spaces that are empty, you will not bump into anyone else, and that makes you a safe player. Show me that you can move safely to the music. Great! Remember to move only into the empty spaces that you see. Can you slide to this music? Freeze! Choosy says, look for empty spaces. Be safe and don't bump into anybody. How does this music make you move? Was fun! You are now a member of the Empty Space Club! I love being in the Choosy Kids Club. I love being in the Empty Space Club. I love being in the Choosy Kids Club. I love being in the Empty Space Club. Let's get ready to move again. How does this music make you move? Look for those empty spaces. Freeze! Cool. Remember, you're a member of the Empty Space Club. You know what that means. Now move to this music. Sweet! Now let's try one more. If the space is empty, it's okay to move there. Let's move backwards! Freeze! Now let's sing our Empty Space Club song again. I love